Hey lovelies, so this is an important update on Cats. This is an important update on Cats. Cats is doing their snapshot today, September 30th. They're taking their snapshot today in preparation for their listing in October 4th. So if you have not started mining Cats, I think you still have an opportunity to mine Cats. You still have an opportunity to mine Cats. And if you missed this and you want to join, I'll drop the link in the comment section of this video. And once you join by the link, you can still do what you want to do. And if you don't know how to mine Cats, then let me know in the comment section. I will just show you simple ways to mine Cats. Then also stay tuned to this channel today, because I want to drop a very important video again, but later today. I'll drop an important video for those of us that are into mining of airdrop projects. It is a very important video, and it will help to boost your airdrop tax reward. It will boost your airdrop tax reward. So what do you need to do for Cats? Make sure that your wallet is connected to your Cats. So if I click on airdrop now, just the way I'm doing on my screen, you're going to see that it's going to, let me click on airdrop, it's going to bring me here. Now I can see that this particular portion here is reading. It's reading. It's them preparing for their snapshot, and you say your rewards are calculating. So your rewards are calculating, continue farming. So if you click on this non-custodian wallets, this non-custodian wallets are like on-chain wallets, like your Tonkeeper and the likes. So why these are like Bitget, Bybit, are exchanges. So what I need to do is make sure you continue doing your tax. Then make sure you come to this place that says exchanges. You click on that exchanges and make sure that your wallet is connected to your airdrop project. You click on continue, and then it will show you if your wallet is connected or not. Make sure you do the you complete the airdrop tax. Let me go back to exchanges. Click on exchanges. So now once you click on exchanges, to bring to this surface. Now you can add. Prior to now, they didn't allow us to add Bybit and all that, and Cushion and Gates. It was shown coming soon, but at this morning, these options are now made available. So if you are using any of this, link them up. I think I've connected my Bitget already, but I think I want to do it on Bybit. I want them to send my tokens to Bybit. So let me click on Bybit. And once I click on Bybit, I'm doing this for those of you that have not yet connected. So once I click on Bybit, I'll click on send here. So yeah, so do you have an account? Do you have a Bybit? Do you have a Bybit account? Do you have a Bybit account? If you don't have, you can create one, but I have, so I'll click on me on. I have it, and then I'm doing this live for those of you that have not connected your Bybit account to your Cats, or your Bitget account to your Cats. So you ask it for you're going to add your deposit address, your UID, and your memo. Deposit address, your UID, and your memo. So let's go over to Bybit so that I'll copy these details and do it. So guys, I'm on Bybit, and I'll click on the icon, the profile display icon there. Now look at my own UID here. So once you click on the profile display icon, you see the UID here, and then you see this copy icon there. You click on it to copy. That's copy icon here. You just click on it to copy, just like I'm doing. You click on it to copy, and you see copied successfully. Then I'm going to go back now to Cats, and I'm going to paste that UID, the UID section. UID, that's my UID. So once you're back on your Bybit homepage, it should look just like this. So the next thing we're going to do is to copy our wallet address and our tag or memo or comments or remarks. It means the same thing. So you can either do that here if you have your deposit as a shortcut like this, like as I have mine here, or you click on your asset. You click on this asset, and once you click on your asset for newbies, it will bring you to this interface. Then you're now going to click on deposit here. So either ways, it will bring you to the same place. Just that make it as a shortcut makes it faster. So let me click on deposit here. Once I click on deposit here, it brings to this interface. It brings you to this interface of P2P trading, buy with NGN, or deposit with crypto. So if you click on this, if you bring to here, you're going to click on deposit with crypto. You click on this deposit with crypto. And once you click on this deposit to crypto, it's going to bring you to this place. It's bringing you. So let's now go back and assume that you have it as a shortcut on your home page, just like I did here. So if you have the shortcut here, it will just save you the stress of clicking on the same thing over and over again. If I click on deposit like this from my home page, it brings me to this interface directly. You can see it shortens the process. So once you are here, you're going to now come here and you're going to search for cats. I've already searched for it, that side reflecting here. You're going to search for cats here, or use this ABCD that are written here to search for C. And then when you search for C, it now bring out cat option. So let's assume it is not here, right? Let me delete it so that you guys don't get confused. Let me delete all my search history. So now it's not here. I'm now going to click on the search icon and I'm going to write cat. And you see the cat icon displayed here. See the cat icon displayed here. And this idea also works for any other airdrop projects, like your Memify. If you're doing Memify, if you are doing any other project that is releasing this October, this same idea works. So once you are here, you know that it is tokens they want to send to your Bybit, that is ton. You will now click on this particular place here. It says choose a chain type. You will now select this ton. Just click on that ton. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Once you click on ton to load this interface, you will see this pop up here. Just click on OK. Now, this is what I want you to take note of. You're going to copy this wallet address, or you're going to copy this wallet address and this tag or memo. See, it's also written as comments, notes, and remarks. So you are copying this wallet address and this tag or memo. This is what I'm copying from here. But wait, I want to show you guys something. Look at this place here. It showed funding account. That is, this wallet address and this tag I'm copying is for my funding account. In other words, again, it means if they send my token, it's going to be reflecting in my funding account. If I've been following my airdrop videos, you will have understood this process. In other words, it means that once the airdrop tokens of cats drops into my Bybit account, it will be in my funding account. And then it means when I want to now trade that cat token to USDT, it means I will now have to transfer that tokens from my funding account to unified account so that I'll be able to trade. Are you guys getting me? But if I don't want to go through all that process, I will just click on this place that shows funding accounts here. I'll just click on it and just ask them to send the money directly to my unified account. So I'll just click on that arrow there. It will bring me here. Now, you see, once it brought me here, it asks me to choose between funding accounts and unified accounts. So I don't want to go through all those process. I will now ask them to pick unified trading account. So that means once I pick unified trading account, this tick here will now be here. And once that tick is here, it means also that my old wallet, address is going to change to my unified trading account. Do you guys get it? So if your token is sent to your funding account, you will have to transfer it to trading account before you can change that token to USDT. As simple as that. But if it is in your unified trading account, you do not need to do anything. You just need to go and trade it to USDT immediately. Do you understand, guys? So let us do this. So for me, I'm using my funding account. So when I bring it, I'll just do the swap. It doesn't take me time or anything. So now we'll now copy this wallet address and copy this tag number and paste it in Cats. Then I'll come here and copy the wallet address. Copied. Then I'll go back again to Cats. Copy and paste. You see, I'm just pasting here. Then once I'm through, I'll now come back to Telegram to continue what I was supposed to do. So I paste my address here. I press the enter button. I come back again to Bybit. I copy the tag or memo. I go back. and I paste it here again just like that. And do well to leave me comments, ask questions in the comment sections. My OGs, my subscribers know that I respond to comments irrespective of how many times you ask. And please, no insults and scams in my comment section, because I take my comment section very, very important. So if you come to my comment section to try to scam my subscribers, I'm going to come for you in a very hard way. And if you come to my comment section to try to make insulting remarks or comments, I'm going to report your account, and I'll report your comment to YouTube, and I will take it down. So now I'm back to Cats. I just copied my UID, and like I said, I'm walking into baby steps. So I'll come to this place here and I'll paste that UID here. So it's easier for you instead of going from one app to the other and they keep refreshing themselves. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to click on this particular icon. I'm doing this for newbies. OGs, please bear with us. And I'll click on that icon to minimize this app, and then I'll go and click on my wallet address. Then I'll come back again to the Cat interface and I'll paste this there, and I'll minimize again, and I'll go and copy the tag, which is the last thing. So just click on copy, then allow this pop up. You see, yeah, they call it memo. They call this memo here, or tag or comment. They mean the same thing. Then I will now click on send. And once you click on send, automatically, guys, you are now eligible to withdraw your Cats. So by the time they list in October 4th, few days from now, you'll be eligible. So this is the same process for Bybit. This is the same process for BitGet. Please comment in the comment section if you don't understand anything, and I will get back to you guys. So that's all for me for now. So stay tuned for another update later on today. See you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.